Hey, Smitty! Let's fish it!
Hey guys!
Hey everybody!
So, time to review 50 Fun Things number 6, which was
Ice fishing
and snowmobiling.
And snowmobiling, yes. So I had a really great time. I love ice fishing. I love the outdoors. The weather was beautiful. So yeah, we put up a nice little shelter and we had some good times ice fishing. I guess the only negative is that we didn't really catch anything.
Well, you didn't catch anything. I did.
Oh yes, that's right. Janice caught a nice little fish.
A huge fish.
Yeah,
Take a look.
Drilling. The ice is half a foot thick. My gas-powered ice auger ought to do the trick. If I want to eat crepe, I gotta catch dinner. Drop my line in the hole with the minnow and the spinner. Ice fish, baby.
Yes, it was a really nice fish.
Don't worry, we threw it back.
Yeah, we put that one back. It was just a little baby one.
Hopefully we'll catch it in the spring.
Yeah, but so normally, because I love outdoors and this ice fishing, I would normally give this a 5 out of 5. But because this darn lake just doesn't want to give us any good fish, so I'm going to downgrade my evaluation to 4 winky octopuses out of 5. It was still a great time. It was awesome, and hopefully next time we'll catch some more fish.
Hey guys, Janice here. We're at the Juice Trap Pad today. We're going to do some snowmobiling and hopefully catch some fish and do some ice fishing. See you in a bit.
My line's screaming, holy crap. My pole's bent over, guy. Think it's gonna snap, I almost got it. And it's big like a whale. It's mean, dark green, guy. Better get the scale. A keeper? I don't know. Weigh it. If it's 10 pounds, you can bet I'll fillet it. It's 26 pounds, guy. You make the call. Go to taxidermy. Mount it on the wall. Ice fish, baby. I wanna ice fish, baby. I wanna ice fish, baby. I wanna ice fish, baby. I bet the wife's at church. I'd rather be here on the lake catching perch. And they're hitting. We're getting through every minute. Fill a 5-gallon pail cause there ain't no limit. I just can't believe my eyes.
Guys, this is Mike, Bethany, and little Sam. We're doing some ice fishing. Oh,
Ashley had to play.
oh no!
He was acting.
Thanks for watching.